Hello all my spooky cuties and welcome back. As promised, I am back with some more awesome Halloween content for you and a super awesome Halloween Michael's craft haul. Seeing as it's a Halloween video and Midnight totally matches the decor, he has decided to hang out with us today too. So grab a tea, drop a like, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So first things first, like I was saying, this is a Michael's haul and it is super Halloween. Well, it is actually all Halloween. I did buy some stuff that wasn't Halloween, but I did end up showing that or recording that in a different video. Not sure if when you guys see this, I'll have shown it yet, but you'll get to see it at some point, whether it's in the past or the future. Sorry, Midnight. So the first thing that we grabbed when we went into Michael's was one of these Halloween DIY pumpkins. They're regular $24.99, which is absolutely unbelievable. And as you guys will see as I go through this stuff, all of the Michael's packaging now has these, like, you know, where you can pull something off. I forget what it's called. But basically they keep the US price up there so that when the stuff gets to Canada, they can just rip it off and then we can't see how badly we're being ripped off. Ha ha ha, just kidding, Michaels, sponsor me. Yeah, right. So anyway, yeah, I do not know how much these were or are in the US, but they were $24 here. They were on for like 60% off. They were on clearance or something, and Chase needed that to make a dino DIY pumpkin he's doing, so I grabbed those. I also grabbed these really awesome picks, which I could not say no to. Look at these picks, you guys. All of the Halloween stuff was on for 40% off. I think there was some things that were 50 off and some things that were 60 off. So yeah, these were $2.99, but they were 50% off, and they are just so adorable. And seeing as I am doing a few different Happy Meal swaps this year, I picked up a few of those. We also got some craft kits for Chase. Here is one of them right here, and they were actually on, they were BOGO. They were either buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one half price. I think it was buy one, get one free, actually. So we got that pack. We also got this pack right here, and I'll show you guys what came with that. I think we got that one for free. We also got this pack, oopsies, this pack right here, which is one of the ones I chose because look at that adorable ghosty. So those are like why I picked it. And like, look how many freaking things come in here, and it only comes with 4 ghosts. 4. Like, what the heck? And that is why I bought it. So it comes with like 2 ounces. I don't know how many, but there's probably like 200 pieces in here, and only 4 of them are the adorable ghosts that they show you at the front to make you buy it. So that is kind of super annoying. However, I think I have enough booze to make Halloween cards for the next 5 years. So yeah, still not a bad buy. So in the kids section for the buy one, get one free, we also did get these eyes. Some of you may remember I got a pack of these eyes last year, and I absolutely adore them. They are perfect, like if you go into the schools or crafting with kids, or if you're having a Halloween party. These are so awesome. I'm actually even going to be using some of them on my Halloween Doodlebug cards, which I will be sharing with you guys sometime before Halloween, or before October's over. I also did grab these, and I was so excited to find these, and these again were the buy one, get one free, and these are very similar to a pack that I saw in a Hobby Lobby walkthrough, so I was really happy to find those. And then last but not least, for the craft packs, we also got this one pack, and for some reason I don't see it here, so I'll show it to you guys after. So here is the contents of this craft kit right here. It comes with 218 pieces, sorry for the glare, and it looks like Midnight is interested in something, but this is a pom-pom pencil topper kit. However, I thought it would be cute to also use as like pen toppers or pencil toppers for loaded bags and Halloween Happy Meal. So I thought this was a craft that Chase could do a few, and then I could do a few for my Happy Mail as well. So here's what it comes with for the ghosts. So I thought you could make like a bunch of each, and it turns out you can only make 2 of each. And let's see, what was the price? $10.99. And see, again, you can see the US price has been ripped off. Like, honestly, I don't even know if I want to know what it is over there, but I just thought that they were super adorable and they look really easy to make. It says 45 minutes. Honestly, I bet me and Chase could have these done in less than 20 minutes for sure, maybe 15. So yeah, here's the ghost, here's the pumpkin, here is the spider, and yeah, they are super adorable, so we did get those. So here is the other craft kit that we did pick, since they were buy one, get one free. So I think it was like 6 different kits that we got. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you the packaging for this, but it was basically like this. It was just a cardboard with like a bag hanging in it, you know, like this. And then it was these really cool, and we have already tried these, you guys. They work so good. Honestly, I can't recommend these enough. So it did only come with 3. Once again, I thought it was going to come with like 6 or 10, and it only came with 3. But these worked so good. They are like those little army parachute guys, only instead they're witch parachute guys. And we have a really high staircase in our house with like kind of a balcony overlook to the front door and everything. And oh my gosh, they were just flying so nicely. So we haven't put this guy together yet, but it comes with the string. They were really simple to put together and they work so well. I really can't recommend these ones enough. So now that we have gone through the stuff I grabbed from the kids craft section and midnight has gotten out of the way, I can show you guys some of the stuff I grabbed from the paper crafting section. So all of the ribbon was either 50 or 60% off, or wait, possibly 40? I don't know, I can't remember. Now I did already grab a bunch of the Michaels Halloween ribbons from this year, as you can see. Now, most of these are from Michaels. A couple of them are from Dollar Tree. However, I didn't get any thick ribbon, and when I was doing my card making, I realized, oh my goodness, I really need some thick ribbon. Now, I also thought I got some ribbon that had 3 colors in it. That was like a striped one of purple, orange, and green. And for some reason, I can't find it, so maybe I didn't end up getting that one. But anyway, this time I did pick up one of the thicker ribbons. There was also an orange and black polka dot one that was really cute. For some reason, the green one just seemed like a really Christmassy green, though, not like a Halloween green. So I didn't get it. I did get a ton of the stickers, which I will show you. So last time I got the Ashland Tiny Bones that you see over there, which I am absolutely crazy about, and I know lots of other people are too. My son, he's only 9 years old, and he actually made this skeleton over here with a glue gun. It is so adorable, so I can't recommend those bones enough. So this time we did get the Ashland Tiny Treasures. You can see once again with the price ripped off. You guys are getting these cheaper than $6.99. That is just crazy. So these are the Tiny Treasures decorative fillers is what they're called. Ooh, I never even thought of using this as a filler. That's a great idea. So yeah, they are spiders and bats in here. I had actually forgot that there was bats. I think it's mostly spiders, but I did pick those up too. I did grab some more of the beads. Last time I got the candy corn ones. This time I got some of the pumpkins because I decided that I want to attach a Halloween charm in with each of my Halloween swaps. Now I am starting to get out the stickers, and let me just warn you guys, there is a ton of stickers, so I hope you guys like stickers. So first off, I'm going to show you guys what I was able to find in the clearance section. That is if I got everything in order. So I was able to find these ones right here, which I'm sending off to my friend Amanda in Australia. And if you can see, so they are called vintage coffins. And, you know, she loves my unicorn stuff and my pastel stuff, but she has a very diverse taste, and she also loves the vintage. And as soon as I saw these, I totally thought of her. So I will be sending those off to Australia. Now, I also picked up a pack of these for my other swap partner. I absolutely love these glittery pumpkins, and I knew that she would love the little enamel candy corns too. I've actually hauled similar, well, the same stickers to these before, only when I bought bought them at Dollarama. So I was like, no way. I couldn't believe that they had the same ones at Michael's. And if you see there, it shows you regular was $8.99, okay? So on clearance, they were $2.99. But let me just show you guys. At Dollarama, the exact same stickers are $1.25. So don't ask me how Dollarama is getting Jolie's stickers, but yeah, somehow they are. Anyway, I picked them up anyway because I think these are super cute, and I did get a few last year, and I noticed when I went in this year, they did not have many left. I might have even grabbed the last few. Okay, so there is one more non-sticker item, and then we are getting into a huge pile of stickers, you guys. I really went crazy on the glitter embellishments. So here we have a Halloween clear stamp and die set. I'm going to admit I did only get this for the die. I have been like dying for the spiderweb die. I didn't get it last time I went in because I knew that I had already ordered one from eBay in the mail, two actually, and I like waited and waited and waited and they didn't come. Well, guess what arrived the evening after I bought this? Oh yeah, you know what came. But it turns out it's not bad because this spiderweb is actually way bigger than the other one, and I did get like, I think 60 or 80% off this purchase because I also had a coupon for 20% off. So yeah, the stamps I will keep, the die I will keep for me, and the stamps I will gift away in Happy Mail. So now we will get to the stickers, you guys, and oh my gosh, they are so darn cute. Okay, wait, there is one pack of glittery bat die cuts, and these were $7.49. What the hey? But again, they were on for 50 off, plus I had the coupon, so I got them for 70 off, that price right there, you know, which isn't too bad. So first off, I found these adorable spider stickers. Oh my goodness. And if you guys think I'm crazy and that I bought too many, well, don't forget I am in 3 Halloween swaps, so I am going to be sending, you know, like 3 sets of stickers to each people or whatever. So, and decorating the packages and decorating for the swaps and everything like that. So I did get 3 or 4 packs of these adorable spiders with the googly eyes. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. I also got these ones, and I already know which swap partner I'm sending these to. They are so adorable. So the spider webs are actually holographic, and then they're all wearing like these different witches hat and witches socks, and they are so cute. So I did get 1 pack of those for myself and 1 pack for one of my swap partners. There is a few packs that I just got one-offs of because Chase liked them or because I thought one of my friends would like them. So these ones reminded us of Midnight with the black cat and the green eyes. So we did get 1 pack of those. I also got 1 pack of these for one of my swap partners without realizing that they were $5.99. However, like I said, they were 50% off plus another 20 off, so I did get 70 off that, so that's still not bad. However, like the other ones like this were only $3.79, right? So like why? So anyway, I did pick those up, and they are holographic skulls, really cool. So I also did find more, or I should say my husband found more stickers in the clearance section. He is actually the one that found the Jolie stickers as well that I'm sending off. So he also found me 2 more packs of the bat glitter embellishments. And if you can see, last year the glitter embellishments were actually $7.49, whereas this year they are only $5.99. So they have lowered the prices a little bit, you know, which I do appreciate. He also found a pack of these bats, and if you can see by the packaging, these ones weren't even from last year. These ones were actually from the year before, so who knows where they found these at in the back of the store. So I did get 1 more pack of the ghosts. I also got 1 pack of these, and I'm a little sad because there was 2 left, and I thought I grabbed both of them. So I think maybe 1 fell out of my cart or something like that, because there is a little place where if you have stuff in the top area of the cart, like where a child can sit, small things like this can actually fall out and fall to the floor. So yeah, I did end up with 1 of those. And now these next stickers I absolutely love, so I did get a bunch of packs of them. I actually got all they had. These are the witch legs with the witch boots, and I absolutely love these. I saw like a teeny tiny shot of these in a store walkthrough, probably over a month ago, but we didn't get our Halloween stuff out in Michael's at that time. I went running to the store. No, they didn't have any. And the first time I went to Michael's, they did not have them either. This time they had 3 packs, and you better believe I picked them up. I love them so much, and I'm totally gonna be hoarding those stickers. So my husband also found these eyeballs right here, and Chase liked those. And you know, you can always use those on spooky Halloween projects, so I did get a pack of those. I also got one more pack of the holographic spiders. This was actually the last pack they had, or I would have got more, because $3.79 last time I went, I didn't realize. I thought they were $5.99, so I would have definitely got more to a gift because I love these. So I did get another pack of those. Chase also picked out a pack of these, what he calls Black Widows. So those are for Chase, or I don't know, maybe I'll gift them to someone. But yeah, Chase really wanted us to get those, so we did. I also got 3 packs of these spiders because I thought they would be so perfect for rosette centers. Aren't they just gorgeous? And for Halloween cards, basically for any type of the Halloween craft that needs embellishing. I love them so much. So again, those ones were $5.99, but they were 50% off, and I also had the extra 20 off. I love those. We also did find one more pack of the jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. There was only 1 pack left, so we did only get 1. Chase has claimed the original pack of those I got. One of my absolute favorite sticker finds of the day was these witch fingers. Unfortunately, they only did have 1 pack. Just like last time I went, they only had 1 pack, which is very strange. So I don't know if last time they were just covered with different stickers and I didn't see them, and now someone's bought them all and left 1, or what the heck's going on. But yeah, there was 1 last time I went and only 1 this time. And you guys know I would have bought at least 4 or 5 packs of these. They are just so creepy and cool. I love them. So next we have some bat stickers. Okay, wait, so I did get another pack of those googly eyes. I knew I got 4 of those because I want to keep a bunch for my own crafting, and I also want to gift those. A few packs in Happy Mail. So I also did get 2 packs of these glitter stickers. I think these ones are actually resin, and they have bats in all different shapes. They are very dimensional. Yeah, I thought those were really cool. Those were $6.99, but again, I got the 50 off. Oh my gosh, this is looking like a mess with the 20 off. So then we have the bat stickers, and I'll show you guys the difference, so you gotta be careful. So first off, you got these ones, which are totally adorable and are only $3.79. Okay, look how cute. I absolutely love them. So I did grab 3 packs of those. Then I ended up getting these, which I didn't realize till I got home, are $5.99. Like, why would you pay more for these than these? Like, in my opinion, these are even way cuter. So the difference is the bat is a little bit of a different shape, and these ones have gems for eyes. But yeah, I don't know. These ones are so adorable. I love them. So if I had realized the price difference, I probably wouldn't have got these. You know, however, they will still be nice, you know, for a different style of card, or, you know, possibly I'll gift them. Who knows? But anyway, yeah, this is what we ended up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't been to your local Michael's yet this Halloween season, I definitely recommend popping over, since the sales are just going to continue and get better and better from now until Halloween. That's all for today. Don't forget to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.